National Weather Service in Macon has issued a flash flood warning for northern Christian County, Macon County, northwestern Moultrie County, southern Piatt County, Sangamon County, southern Champaign County, northwestern Douglas County, Vermilion County, until 6 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Decatur, Danville, Huntston, Chatham, Mount Zion, Auburn, Rochester, Forsyth, Riverton, Tolono, Westville, Pawnee, Tilton, Catlin, Beeman, Oakwood, Kincaid, Philo, and Cerro Gordo. At 2 p.m. at the Paris airport, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point was 68, and the relative humidity was 63%. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Vigo County, Indiana, northeastern Clay County, Indiana, north central Owen County, Indiana, Park County, Indiana, central County, Indiana, southwestern Franklin County, Indiana, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Rockville, or 15 miles northeast of Terre Haute, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greencastle, Brazil, Rockville, Cloverdale, Montezuma, Knightsville, Rosedale, Harmony, Carbon, Mecca, Bloomingdale, Marshall, Lena, Cecil Harbor Lake, Belle Union, Bridgeton, Riosville, Gables, Mill Lake, and Judson. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 27 and 47. At 3 p.m. the report from the Paris
all those guys did the wave around is because of the fact that there's only 8 laps, 7 laps, 8 laps left in the stage.
And there's the results of the choose with 1 to go. Each driver gets to choose inside or outside lane on the restart and pull up. With its success at Charlotte Motor Speedway, Chase Elliott is tonight's guaranteed fit, sponsored by eBay Motors. Top 5 finishes in 5 of his last 8 races on the oval here in Charlotte. They also have the road course. Finished second in 2 of his last 4 600s. And 1 here in 2020. Here is his pit crew meeting pre-race.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial
keys here long race, right? No one knows that more than us because we haven't finished every lap the last couple of years. So just focus on what we can control. Sometimes you got to lose a battle to win the war, but when it comes to the end, win, right? Turn it up.
Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Vigo County, Indiana, Monroe County in south central Indiana, southwestern Morgan County, Indiana, Sullivan County, Indiana, southwestern Brown County in south central Indiana, eastern Knox County, Indiana, southern Clay County, Indiana, Owen County, Indiana, Martin County, Indiana, Lawrence County in south central Indiana, Greene County, Indiana, Daviess County, Indiana, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:12 p.m. p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Sullivan to near Lincoln to near Washington to near Winslow, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Bedford, Washington, Lincoln, Sullivan, Bloomfield, Exeter, Joe, Kalispell, Mitchell, Signal, Bloomington, Jacksonville, Worthington, Autumn, Shelburne, Gillette, Farmersburg, Duggar, and Clay City.
It's going to totally change the way that I feel about those airplanes.
You're listening to NOAA Weather